Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called sounds and vibration and tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called vibration, and right here we have the list of vibration levels. We have strong, soft and off. Select the one you like and then tap on OK. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.